How to submit flight review results in RPAS Wilco. To update your flight review results, go to your booking list. Click the edit icon to open the booking details. If the booking type is flight review, you must submit the results, pass or fail, and the flight review number in RPAS Wilco. To obtain the flight review number, you must submit the flight review results on Transport Canada's official website first. Click the calendar icon to update the service time if needed. If the booking type is Flight Review Preparation Training, it is not necessary to submit results to Transport Canada. Simply enter the training results directly in RPAS Wilco. Once the results are entered and saved, the system will automatically update the booking status to completed. At that point, the payment process is triggered and recorded in Stripe. Log in to your Stripe account and navigate to the Transactions tab. Under Paid Transactions, you'll see the corresponding payment listed.